Welcome to the REALTOR app, where you can access all the features of MissouriRealtor.org, like standard forms and market statistics. The most important tab is the three-dot tab, which allows users to add an event to the app. If you click on Events, you will see the most recent event being held by Missouri Realtors. To access that event, you will need to click on it. This will provide feedback with a check mark. When you return to the home page, you will notice that the rotator and the buttons have changed. You are now in the Events section of the REALTOR app. This is where you can build relationships with attendees, view the speakers, and more importantly, view it as a digital agenda. You can view the exhibitors' individual pages. This section includes their logo, description of their service, website, and social media pages. They make our event possible and would be thrilled with the exposure, so make sure to visit them in person in the exhibitor area. This is a speakers button where you can view all of the speakers and which session they will be speaking at. Another useful button is the Attendees button. Connect with others at the conference. Every user has the ability to create their profile in the app. Under the Venue button, you will see the hotel location on the map. This is where you can visit their website and see the floor plan if you don't know where your meeting is. The Sponsor button shows our main sponsors for the conference. Under the Feed tab, we encourage users to start conversations about the event and related topics, share your photos of the event, organize and network, and much more. Our app is a fully featured event guide. Under the Schedule tab, you will find the digital agenda that has every session. This is where you can plan your day and add your personal calendar to make sure you don't miss a session. Just click the little plus mark. If you'd like to see all of your schedule, at the top right there is My Schedule. This will highlight everything that you have checkmarked. We'll have details such as a Zoom link and the digital agenda available at the time of the conference. Thank you for watching.